If you have an invoice that's never going to be paid, whether it's due to a bad debt, a courtesy adjustment, or any other reason, you don't have to leave it sitting open forever. In this video, we'll show you how to write off an invoice in LawnPro. There are two ways to do this, and we'll walk through both. The first method is from the invoice list. To get to your invoice list, go to Finances, Invoices. Find the invoice you want to write off. Check the box beside the invoice. At the top, more options will appear. We want to click Mark As and then Written Off. A pop-up will appear to confirm that you want to write this invoice off. Click Yes. Now you can see the status has changed. If we click on the invoice, the status will be written off. The second way is to do it from the actual invoice itself. Again, go to the Finance tab and Invoices and locate the invoice you want to write off. Either click on the invoice number or the magnifying glass. Then you can click Mark As and mark as written off. Again, a pop-up will appear to confirm you want to write this invoice off. That's all there is to it. Both methods get the job done. Use whichever one fits your workflow. If you ever need to pull a report of all your written off invoices, you can do that under our Report tab.